So I know before we get into this video, I know you guys are waiting for the Dodge Charger to be done, but did have a little hiccup. You know, that happens. But long story short, you guys, I'm pretty much working on the Benz, so that way I have something to drive while the Dodge Charger's down. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. I'm getting the Mercedes. The Mercedes is going to be quick. I should have it done in 2 months. And then that's the time that I'm going to take the Dodge Charger motor out, start building a 6.4. I'm bringing that content for you guys. So just want to give you guys that update. So let's get right into this video. What's up, you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm trying to get some things done today. So right now, the motor is still in the machine shop. So in the meantime, I'm going to pretty much be finished wrapping the vehicle. I'm about to show you guys what it looks like so far. I know you guys been waiting on the Black Panther to be finished. I got my block right up underneath there, you guys. So I'm pretty much trying to get this vehicle, because this Charger's already running. So I'm pretty much trying to get this Mercedes running again. So that way, once I have this Mercedes running, and I can put this down. For all my people who love Mercedes, I'm gonna tell you guys in another video. If you guys wanna know how I got the car, how much was it, and all that, let me know in the comments below. I'll make a separate video. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the car looks like right now. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks. Probably see right here on this panel right here. I got it candy purple. I did do the door handles. I just got to finish this door panel right here. Pretty much that's how it looks. You guys comment down below. So I took this off. I'm going to do a chrome delete. As you guys can see, I got that in Forge. So you guys comment down below, man. How you think this car is going to look once it's complete and done? So right now, this is how the interior looks. It's a little bit torn down right now, but I'm about to be going ahead and changing all this to black interior, and it's pretty much gonna match. Take you guys around the back. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. It's not running. There's no motor in it, you guys. So if you are new to the channel, I did take the motor out. I'll show you guys right now. As you guys can see, the motor has been taken out. So pretty much I'm rebuilding the whole engine. Cleaned off the pistons. It was bad. Pretty much doing the whole 9 yards, putting new engine mounts, new AC compressor. Pretty much everything that you guys see right here, everything is getting replaced. So these motor mounts were bad. I'm assuming this has been in the car since the car was bought, because you guys can probably see like the oil that was in the mount leaked all over. Because when I was driving the vehicle, like when I hit the gas, the engine, it seemed like the whole shift knob moved. So you obviously know the transmission is connected to the motor. So if the mount is not stable, it's going to move. So pretty much that's what's going on, as you guys can see. So the AC compressor is bad. Alternator is probably not bad, but I'm going to go ahead and replace that. Put a brand new water pump in there. Pretty much all the stuff that's gonna make the car more reliable. So I'd rather do all of this, so that way when I put the motor back together, at least I know everything has been replaced, everything has been cleaned. I got the pistons right here behind me. They look really, really good compared to what they looked like at first. They was terrible. Look, you guys, so far I got the one door wrapped. It's getting hot right now. If you guys don't know, I'm in Arizona, but right now it's looking good. About to go ahead and turn the camera around and show you guys. As you guys can see, yes sir, that thing is looking good. What you think?
Oh, look at this. It's popping.
It's popping. You heard. You know what I'm saying? That thing right there, boy. Gonna take these rims, sell them, put some 20 inches on there. I'm gonna have them black gloss with the candy purple strips on it. Oh yeah, that jump about to look good. I ain't do this side yet. Still gotta do this side. But yeah, man, I got this side done. You guys comment below, tell me what you think about it. You guys probably don't see. Got the door handle wrapped. I am gonna do a chrome delete, so stay tuned, you guys. You guys gonna see what that's gonna be. I ain't gonna say too much, but I am gonna upgrade the grill, headlights, get a genuine Mercedes emblem right there. I am gonna wrap the hood, the bumper. But yeah, man, this is how it looks. You got this angle real quick. Tell me how that look right now. Tell me that junk ain't hard. Tell me that ain't hard, man. So you guys, I'm pretty much gonna hit you guys with a few B-rolls. Right now, it's literally like 109 degrees right now. It's like, I don't even think you guys can see. Let me see. Like, it is so hot outside, you guys. Literally freaking blazing hot. So I'm gonna hit you guys with a few B-rolls. Hope you guys like it. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so right now I know it's another day. As you guys can see, I got a whole haircut. Finally, got a call from the dude. The engine block is done. I will be showing you guys a little bit of pictures right here in the video, if you guys can see it. So I will be picking up the engine Wednesday, and then I will be painting the engine block. And then on that point, I will be getting ready to assemble the whole engine. So yeah, you guys just gotta stay tuned for that. Yeah, so as you guys can see right now, I got it all covered up. But yeah, you guys just gotta stay tuned, man. See what it looks like when it's done. But, you know, I can't wait till it's done, you guys. It's gonna look sick. It's gonna look real good. You know, you guys can probably see I got the Black Panther up in here. So if everybody knows my plan, I'm pretty much gonna be fixing this up so that way I have a drivable vehicle. Then I will be fixing up this Honda right here, and then I will be putting down this bad boy right here, because if you guys probably see in the corner, I got my 6'4" BGE block right there. You know what I'm saying? Getting ready to assemble that. So yeah, man, that's pretty much just what it is. You guys, just giving you guys a little update. Hope you guys, I'm losing my voice right now, but I hope you guys did like the little B-roll that I gave you, because I'm ready to put down this bad boy right here. I know a lot of people is waiting on this. You see it's dusty. I gotta wash it and all of that. So I know a lot of people can't wait to see this bad boy in full effect. But without further ado, you guys, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for this build. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.